Welcome to the Amplus Forms online training. During this module we will teach you how to create a user in the Amplus database. Now once you've logged on to the Amplus mobile forms platform, you're on your home page. As you scroll down here on the left hand side, you will click Organisation and Users. Then click Users and Groups. Here you will already see that we have some users set up, but if you're creating a new user you just need to use the Add New button up here on the top left. Now you can see here in the drop down there are two user types. There's Premium and Standard. By choosing Premium, this unlocks all the platform features including tasks and docs, and will also allow unlimited monthly form entries. Standard, this is best for light to medium usage, but there is no tasks and docs access. Here we can type in our user's email address. So we're going to say Donald Duck, and he's been previously created in another form. So if we press that, then we're going to give him his first name and his last name. A user needs to be given permissions to access the website. We can do this by clicking the user can access the website. You will see here in access permissions on this drop down box there are 4 access permission levels. Please take a look at the module access permissions where you can get more instruction regarding each access permission. Below access permissions we have regional settings and advanced options. What we're able to do here is obviously put the country in, and as you can see in the list we have starting from Afghanistan all the way down to Zimbabwe. Well, obviously Donald Duck is in the United States. We can even change his time zone, so we can look at the time zones. They go all the way from the international dateline west right all the way through to Kiribati Island. But obviously we know Donald Duck is on Eastern Time and his external ID will be Donald Duck. It should be highlighted that an external ID is not required, but required if using an API to identify the user. A unique color code is assigned, and this will be used in various parts of the platform where users are identified by color. Below color code we have metadata, and this is where you can add additional information about the user by specifying key value pairs. For example, which company they may be from, and there may be a group like construction, etc. So let's add a company, and we know he's in Acme, and we'll add a department. We'll say he's in construction. Metadata is very powerful. When you have many different departments, regions, etc., all users can be separately identified. It is easy to add an item just by clicking Add Item. Now below the regional settings and advanced options we have assigned folders. These are the 3 folders that we can assign to this user, and we're going to allow him to use the COVID-19 and we're going to allow him to use all forms. If you have set up different groups within a group membership, you can assign users to a different group. Once you have assigned everything, you can go to the top left here, the big green button, and hit the Create User. When you click that, you can see here that an invitation message has been emailed to Donald Duck at acme.com. You will notice the invite password just here appears after the last name. Now the password is only visible during the invite. If needed, you can send another invite email to the user by clicking the Send Invite button. Once the user activates their account, this button changes to yellow and is then a reset password. The user's invite password disappears. Now once the user receives the invite, they are ready to set up their devices for use on the Amplus forms. Now for more information on learning, you can always click on your home button and take a look at our knowledge base. Here you can get more information on Amplus forms. There are hundreds of articles on the platform, its function, designing, setup, API, data sources and connectors, and much more. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to email support@amplusforms.com.